Hi there, students. To disconcert, verb. Disconcerted, an adjective. Disconcerting, also an adjective. Disconcertedly, disconcertingly, adverb. Okay, so to disconcert, if you disconcert somebody, you make them suddenly feel worried and uncertain. They lose their rhythm, they lose their confidence. So the journalist was asking the politician awkward questions to try and make him feel disconcerted. Yeah, he was asking disconcerting questions. The lack of interest by the students was most disconcerting for the teacher. Yeah, he was very self-effacing, and therefore he was very disconcerted by all the attention he was getting. So if you're disconcerted, you feel worried, you feel uneasy, you don't feel right, yeah? You've been put off your stride. So to disconcert, to throw into confusion. The rain disconcerted my plans for a picnic. Yeah? To disturb the composure of somebody. I was very disconcerted by his quiet tone of voice. I thought he was going to be very angry. So to confound, to confuse, to fluster, to phase, to nonplus. Yeah? The fact that he had a criminal record came out in public, and it disconcerted even his most loyal fans. I found the changes to the program extremely disconcerting. Yeah, if you take a racehorse and you put it in a truck and you take it 300 miles to a race meeting, very often this disconcerts the animal. Yeah, it's just worried, it doesn't feel right, it doesn't feel normal. So to disconcert, to lose your composure. Yeah, he was disconcerted by the teacher's angry tone. Yeah, when you lose your cool, you lose your train of thought, you are disconcerted. So if somebody suddenly came and started talking to me while I was making this video, I would probably become disconcerted. I wouldn't know what to say in the video because it would break my train of thought. Yeah, the lack of response from the crowd disconcerted the singer. Yeah, he was disconcerted by the huge amount he had to pay. Yeah, he lost his composure. Okay, so to disconcert, to upset the composure of somebody. Yeah, don't let the rude comments disconcert you. To bring into confusion, yeah, to bewilder. I was completely disconcerted by the huge variety of choice that was available. And to frustrate, to be a problem for. The rain disconcerted my picnic. The enemy army disconcerted the plans of my army. So to agitate, to upset. So his questions were disconcertingly rude. Yeah, they were quite disconcerting. A politician should never seem disconcerted, even if he really is disconcerted. Okay, and then this the formality of to disconcert. I think I'd probably give this, what, a 6 informality, disconcerted. 6.5, you could just about use it in an informal conversation, but it's probably better in something semi-formal or formal that's written. Notice to disconcert is a regular verb. The loud noise disconcerted me. I was disconcerted by the loud noise, so a regular verb. And the origin, well, it comes from French, disconcerter, un, and concerter, to bring into agreement, to concert, to organize, yeah? And that's got the idea of con, together, and the cert bit, I'm not sure. Okay, so to disconcert, it seems like I've got to the end of the video without becoming disconcerted, yeah? There was nothing, no interruptions this time to disconcert me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Disconcert, disconcerted, disconcerting, disconcertingly.